The end of an era, and soon the beginning of a new one. This is November 2011, the day we took possession of the property, completely undeveloped apart from a bit of natural growth, natural pastures, and the odd tree that had shot up here and there. Kangaroos as well. Well, this is the northern end of the property. The horses over time got into those trees there and knocked them around a bit. Where the bus sits over there is where the house currently is, and that fence there has been removed. This might be an old mine shaft or something. Don't know. Got rocks zooped in it. I think this is where the reef runs through actually. Pretty scrubby in here, so it'll be bloody good for the horses, eh? Looks like the neighbour. This will be really good. The wind's blowing now, and it's pretty sheltered in here. I like this. I developed the property over that period of time with the swales you can see there, and the dam, and the track, and all the trees up along the track, and the horses. And I guess the pasture, if that's what you like. The shedding, I built the house with my own hands, most of it. The greenhouses, the garden. They say sometimes you got to get a good smack around the ears to make you come to your senses. Well, I guess I sort of got a smack around the ears, if you call breaking your neck a smack around the ears. Brought me to the realisation that I'm not going to live forever. I've got so many horses to take care of. I believe my Creator has kept me going for no other reason than to see that they are rehomed before I do depart this place forever. So coming along to the future, or the future now, the new horsing about. And hopefully you'll join Pauline and I in sharing some videos of the new era, the horsing about. Just from inside, standing in the bottom of our gully on the way you drive in from the front gate, which is just coming up now. I am rather proud of what I achieved over that period of time, and I guess the expectation was that I would probably die on the place, but that's not the way that it's turned out. What's really good is the people that have bought the property have 4 kids, and I can't think of a more ideal place for kids to grow up. Nice and quiet, a couple of good neighbours around, and a couple others. But anyway, everybody stay well, stay healthy, hopefully survive this new world order push that's going at the moment. And I look forward to sharing our videos with you in the future. All the best. Bye. Retirement, that's what some will call it. But with 20 odd horses still to look after, I don't think my trimming time is in retirement. But my commercial customers are now gone unless they run into trouble. I will miss all my patients. On the runoff, Just checking up on the guys. And I look up the track up here towards what was our Ponderosa, which from about 20 minutes ago does not belong to me anymore. So these guys, hopefully you can shift them out in a couple of weeks to a 60-acre paddock, I believe. I guess we'll see. More to come.